Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's Vlogmas Day 5. Vlogmas 5. I hope you guys are having a great December. I hope you guys are enjoying these vlogs. Vlogmas sorry it's been short, but it'll probably be longer. Not tomorrow. Not tomorrow, but day 6 will probably be long. But yeah, maybe not. Maybe it will. Yeah, I did. Just did homework and that stuff. But that's really cool. So yeah. Should I make slime, guys? You know, I have my purple slime, but should I make some slime? Should I make some slime, guys? But here's the slime I already have. I already have this, like, Play-Doh-y slime. See, this is what it looks like. See that it's like a really darky purple. Yeah, it's mixed with this dark pink and a dark blue. Yeah, it makes it really purple. This is blueberry. This is blueberry and strawberry scent, and it smells so good. Yeah, it's really cool. It's kind of rough. I think I'm gonna make slime, guys. Probably like later. I think I want to make fluffy slime. I think I'm gonna add some like shaving cream. But yeah, here's the slime. It's kind of rough. Ow. Yeah, I'm gonna add some. Yes, that's pretty much my purple slime. So yeah. Here's my fluffy slime. Fluffy slime is pretty easy. Like, all I did was just add your PVA glue or your Elmer's glue, whatever kind of glue it is. But I recommend using white glue. It smells absolutely the shaving cream. It like smells so clean. It like feels like you're actually clean. So that's pretty cool. And if you want your fluffy slime small, but you want it bigger, then just add some more shaving cream. So yeah, that's all you need. PVA glue, shaving cream, water is optional, but I think the glue I use is the Nickelodeon Slime glue, white glue. I think it kind of like makes it rips. So I'm not gonna add the water anymore if I make fluffy slime. But if it is like stiff, just add some lotion. I do use the Econurin Dry Skin Therapy Plus Smoothing Additional. And this, I really like this lotion because it's fast absorbing. It will take a long time to absorb. And if you add, it won't really make your slime that sticky. So yeah. Okay, so I'm going to add some lotion. I really like this slime. I recommend making fluffy slime because it feels like a marshmallow. It feels like a cloud. It feels like a marshmallow. It feels like a marshmallow slash cloud. Marsh cloud. Yeah, it feels like a marshmallow or like a marshmallow. Like, it literally looks like a marshmallow that was flattened. It literally looks like a marshmallow. It's funny how you can want to eat slime. I low-key want to eat slime, but don't. But don't. It's poison. Loose poison. An activator and shaving foam slash cream. Yeah, so what pretty much this consistency is. So yeah, it's pretty stretchy. Guys, you want to do the blindfolded slime challenge? I don't know. Should I do that, guys? Because I heard it's like really fun. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Fluffy slime. Yeah, if you don't, you also add. I know there's a tutorial where how to make fluffy slime without shaving cream. I don't know where that. I think you just look that up on YouTube, and you probably will find the video. Cause if you don't have any shaving cream, or your parents want you to buy shaving cream for slime, yeah. Okay. Yes, I'm stressed. But this is like so satisfying. Okay, so you have to stretch, then twist, and then keep on stretching and stretch and twist. Yeah. It's kind of stiff. That I could probably fix that. I'm just gonna keep kneading the in there. So yeah, I have a container with lid. So yeah, this big of a container. It fits perfectly in there. I'm gonna color this brown. Yeah, I'm gonna put the phone on charger. I'm gonna clean. Oh, sorry. I'm gonna clean up everything. So yeah, I'm gonna clean up everything, and yeah. If you guys in this vlog here, hope you guys enjoy this. Please press the like button, comment down below, subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.